Wood joinery is the process of connecting two or more pieces of wood together to create a stronger structure. In this video, we'll be covering some basic wood joinery techniques that beginners can use to get started. The most basic form of wood joinery is nailing or screwing two pieces of wood together. This is a simple and strong way to join wood, and is often used in framing and other basic construction projects. Another popular technique is doweling. Doweling involves using a doweling jig to drill holes in the ends of two pieces of wood, and then inserting wooden dowels into the holes. This creates a strong and permanent connection between the two pieces of wood. A mortise and tenon joint is a traditional woodworking technique that involves cutting a mortise, or a hole, into one piece of wood and a tenon, or a protrusion, on the other piece of wood. The tenon is then inserted into the mortise, creating a very strong and secure connection. Pocket hole joinery is a modern technique that involves drilling angled holes, called pocket holes, into one piece of wood, and then connecting it to another piece of wood using specialized screws. This creates a strong and invisible connection. With these basic joinery techniques, you can create a wide variety of projects, from small items like birdhouses and picture frames, to larger items like bookshelves and tables. Remember to take your time and practice to master each technique, and you'll be able to create strong and durable woodwork. So grab your tools and start building. Remember to take your time, be safe, and have fun. Check the description below to learn to create masterpieces in woodworking. Happy woodworking!